The question is, if matrix A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, find matrix B such that A plus B is a zero matrix. Now, as A plus B is a zero matrix, now we can add the matrices only if the orders are the same. Now, matrix A is of the order 2 cross 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus matrix B. Now, that is missing. So, obviously, on the right hand side, we would consider 0 matrix with order 2 cross 2 with 4 elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we transfer this matrix A on the right hand side, so it gets subtracted. So matrix B would be 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we perform the subtraction of the corresponding elements, we would obtain 0 minus 1, the first element. Next would be 0 minus 2. Next would be 0 minus 3. And lastly 0 minus 4. So finally we obtain matrix B with elements negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and negative 4. So this is how we obtain the required matrix B.